Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Facebook lookalike or a community of friends, employees, community of maybe you're a counselor, and then you create a community for your patients, or you can be addicts, you create a community for your addicts. Then it can be a community of anything, friends, soccer players, anything. So basically this is like Facebook, because you can add friends, you can send a public message, you can mention someone, and then you can send a private message. So basically let's go into it. So this is a home page, as you can see. There's a contact page, about, and then there's a news feed, friends, groups. So when I head over to news feed, I can type what's on my mind here. This is a public message, post update. So this will be seen by everyone, and then I can see all the members here. I can see the mentions. I can filter them by seeing new members, anything I want, but I just leave it to everything. And then let's head over to groups. You can see the groups which are created. I can create a group here. Enter group name, description, and then continue, add people. Let me show you an example. Soccer lovers, just giving an example. Great. And then I can say I want it to be public, I want it to be private, I want it to be hidden. And then the invitations, I want all group members, or I want group admins only. You can just filter, so I'll just leave it as default. And then you can upload that, an avatar. I'll just skip that. You can also upload the cover image. I also skip that. I'm just showing you how you can do this. Then you start inviting members here. Then you can also finish that. So when I head over to groups, I see soccer lovers, and it's a public group, and there's one member, and it was created 39 seconds ago. So when I head over to members, I see the number of people in the here in the community. So the next thing I'll be showing you guys is how to create a custom login interface. This is what I mean. So I'll be showing you how you can change this from WordPress to any site title you have put that site, and then changing these colors, each and everything. So I'll be starting afresh. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to go to general settings, then general. This is very crucial. And then this time I will say addicts community. Let's stay sober. And then here you must tick this, and can register. And if you want, you can change week starts on Monday. Save that. And then the next thing we're going to do, we are going to create a home page. So let me head over to the site. we see there's nothing like a home page. So let's head over to the dashboard, pages, add new, remove this, type in our home page, publish, and back to the dashboard. So the next thing, we want our home page to be the, when like you go to another page, you're able to come back to the home page. Okay, want to make it like default, so you go to settings and reading, and then choose a static page. So home page will be home page. Save changes. So when you're done with that, the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to install the theme and the plugin we shall be using. So the theme, basically, when I head over to this, you see it is different. So what the next thing I'm going to do, let me remove this title. So I'll say edit page, so the basically the theme, let's go to the dashboard, appearance, themes. So we are going to install add new, Remnant Lite. So I'll be putting all the links of this, of the plugins and the theme in the description, so you won't need to be disturbed looking around for them. So I'll install, installing, be patient with it. Finally activate. So when I head over to this, you see it has changed. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I want to delete this sample page. So I'll go back to dashboard, page, all pages. Maybe I'll edit this and make it but let me just delete them. I want to start afresh. So delete privacy and sample, move to trash. We shall ignore this because we want to start from scratch. So next page I'll be creating is about us. Publish, and then a contact page, so we are done with creating our pages and installing our theme. So let's go to the next chapter of installing plugins. So head over to plugins, add new. So the first plugin we'll be installing is called Elementor. It is by far the best page builder, drag and drop. Elementor, this one. Installing, be patient with it. Finally activate. Move this, head back, add new. So the next plugins, I just downloaded them, so I'll just be uploading them, but you no need to worry, I'll be providing the download links for that. So I'll head over to downloads. The first one will be the login Colorib login customizer. Basically this one helps you to edit your your login page. Yeah, for instance, when I click on this one here, open it in a private window, paste it over there. So the login customizer will help you change this. Yeah, put what you want here instead of WordPress, and then also change this also if you want. Yeah, so that's what login customizer basically does. So I'll activate it. And then I'll also be uploading the next one, force login download, upload. Install. So I won't activate it, I'll first show you what it does. So I'll copy this, new tab, private tab. So basically when you enable the force login, when you click on the site, it will automatically take you to the login page without needing to go down and looking for it. So let me activate it and I show you. So this is the force login plugin. So I'll go back to my private tab, paste that. So you see it will automatically bring me to the login page. So I'll have to log in before I access anything, and then the login customizer will let me change this from WordPress, change the color, put my text instead of the logo, and then change all this. Yeah, so let's go back. So the main plugin for the day is BuddyPress, so let's install it. Type in BuddyPress, no space between the word, searching. So you choose the first one, has 4 stars, last updated 4 weeks ago. As installing, you can be patient with it. Installing. Finally it has installed. Let me activate it. I'll ignore that. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to customize this, sorry about that, this login page. So head back to the dashboard, and then below here you'll see login customizer. Click on that, it will take you to the login customizer. So basically we're going to be editing our stuff. Yeah, so the first thing is the template. So we shall first choose a template, and I prefer this one. You can choose this one This is the default one. There is this one where this image appears on in the side. There is this one where the image is filled. Then there is this one where the image is in the left side, or let's go with this one here. So I'll apply. So like a template helps you to beautify your login page like a photo. So publish that, and then for us start customizing this, we shall have to go to the logo options, and then hide logo. Sorry, leave that, and then use logo text. So we shall put our text here as we put it the other side, Addicts community. So basically what you do here, you hide, you untick the logo, and then you use text logo, and then you type in what you want to appear here. So as you can see, when I hover it turns to blue. I'll just leave it like that. It looks to be nice. And then if you want, you can change the text color and then the hover color. Like the hover color is when I hover here over it becomes blue. When I remove the mouse pointer, it becomes light black. So you can change these things from here, choose any color you want. So I mean basically I'll leave it like that. And then here you can increase the logo size if you want. So I think that's better, so I'll publish that. So when I head over to my private tab here and refresh, boom, looks so nice, eh? So the next thing you're going to be doing, is if you want to change the background image of this, the background image here. So head over to background options, and then on custom background select image. So you select you can check in the media library if there are no photos, and then you upload. So head over to my photos. I'll use this pic for United. Excuse me. Choose that. It's so ugly. So I'll keep the default one. So I'll re-choose that. Publish. Then go back again here and use this. Publish. So basically you can change the background if you have a good photo, but me, I've just kept this one. And then the next thing you're going to be doing, we're done with customizing our login page. So the next thing you're going to configure body press. So and press on that, ignore that, and then head over to settings, then body press. So the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to allow friend connections, like someone can get a friend, send a friend request, and then private messaging, we're going to allow that also. Allow people to chat separately, and then allow creating of user groups, And then if you want, you can also WordPress core, you can also tick that. So I'll save this. So let's go to options. Everything is fine here. Maybe this one allow people to post comments, so it's just becoming more fun. Save settings. Excuse me. And pages. So your members page must be assigned to the members, and then the activity stream must be assigned to activity stream, user groups to groups, and then register to register. So if it's like that, just credits. These are people created this beautiful plugin. So when we're done with that, we are going to insert a template, already made template, into our home page. So you head over to pages, all pages. So we're not going to design from scratch, we're going to insert a template. So edit, I'll open this in a new tab. Alright, let me just open it manual like that. So you choose this one, add element template. Let's look around all pro. If you see pro, it's for paying, and in this tutorial we are basically using free resources. So I'm not seeing any nice one. So what we're going to do, we're going to head back to our plugins, click over here, sorry, plugins, add new, and then we shall be installing Envato. I'll also put the download link of this in the description. Envato Elements. It has free already made templates, yeah, and it has most of the templates are free. So head back to our pages, home page, edit to the Elementor. So we shall choose this last one here, and then we shall go to free kits, and then we shall choose with business, corporate and business, and then you can choose any, but for me I'll be using this corporate business. So I'll install kit, view kit. So as you can see, there is a home page, home interior, home agency. I'll use home corporate. I'll use home interior. It's importing. Yeah man, it's importing. Alright, so it's done. So what I need from this template is only this first section. So I'll click here, remove this, remove this also, remove that too, that also, that. So I'll add in a first update, and then add in a new section. I'll choose this one with 3 columns, and then I'll go here. Now search for icon box, drag it, and then click over here, icon library, and then search for newsletter, insert that. You can choose any, framed or stacked, and I think framed is better. And then I'll come over here, so I'll call this news feed. I'll update, so I'll copy this, paste it there, again there. So I'll edit this, I'll make this one friends, then I'll come here, I'll make this messaging, or I'll make it timeline, and then I'll change this icon, so I'll put this, insert. And for timeline, which one will I use? I'll use this, insert, and I'll update. So our home page is almost done. So what we're going to do next? So the first thing I'm going to do here on the first section, I'll remove that, and this message I'll put in welcome, just like that, welcome. So I'll leave this one, you can put anything you want. So I'll say edit section, so basically our home page is done. Let me update. So let's see our changes. So basically this is what we have so far within a few minutes. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to delete this information here first, where you see address, phone. So I'll head over to customize, and then go to contact information, delete that, publish. So when I refresh, alright, that's better. So the next thing I'm going to, the order of these pages is not good. I'm going to organize them, and then I'll not put these pages here. So I'll just edit this to be get quote about us and then contact us. So when someone clicks on this, they'll just go to those pages. So I'll not make them visible here, I'll also remove them. So go over to dashboard, and then appearance, then menus, create main menu. So you can add anything you want. I'll add in home first, activity, members and groups, add to menu. So I'll make it the primary menu, and then I'm going to create another menu which will be like the top menu. Top menu, great. So in the top menu, I'll add most important, I'll add activate, register, that, and then select top menu, save. So when I visit site, refresh, you see it is activate and register, and then there is home, groups and members. So the next thing, I'm going to edit this and make it about us, and then like when I click here, it must go to the contact page, and when I click here, so when I click it goes to about page, here contact. So I'll say edit page, edit with Elementor. So I want to make this about us. So you come over to link and type in about, remove everything, type in about, click that, update, same to this, click on it, type in contact, click on that, update. So when I go back to the home page, so our home page and our about page and contact page are nowhere to be seen, but we have their buttons here. So when I click on this button here, I'll go to the about us page, but as we can see, our about page is empty. We shall be adding in content too. So when I click on contact page, I go to the contact page, but they are still empty. So what we are going to do, we are going to import also templates from our from you go to pages, from our Envato elements, and the first one will be about us, edit. So basically Envato works with Elementor, that's why we installed Elementor and then also Envato. So you can't use Envato without Elementor. So I'll choose here Envato elements, and then click on the installed kit, and then look for about us. So I'll choose this, since importing so basically you can edit this if you want, basing on what you do, what your community is, sorry. So I'll just leave it like that. Update, go back up, import for the contact page. Contact, where are you? Here, edit with Elementor. Choose this green apple, then look for contact page. So you can, as you can see, you can add very many pages, gallery, anything you want. So you just need to create them that side and then click edit, then edit with Elementor, then head over to Envato Elements and import. Basically it is so simple. Then I'll update that. So when I head back to the home page, where are you? Home page, yeah. Refresh this. When I click on the about page, boom, I'm here. They show me the about page, but it's not to be seen in the menu, but I can still access it. Then contact. So that's it. Basically, if you want, you can add in more sections here. I just made mine so simple, but you can add in more sections here also if you want more buttons. So the next thing we're going to be doing, we are going to edit our profile. So head over to this image here and then say edit profile, and then we're going to change the profile picture and then the background. So you say change profile picture, and then they bring you down here. Select your file. So then you can crop it. So you select the part you want. So about that, then that's fair, okay. And then crop image, successfully uploaded. So you see our profile picture, and then we're going to change the cover photo. Select it here. I'll go here, choose this, open. Boom, as you can see here, it has changed. There is a profile and there's a background cover photo. So on the profile, you can see the home, you can see the activity, which I renamed as newsfeed, and then messages, friends, groups, settings. So you can see everything from here. So let's head back. Basically these things are also here. If you click on this image here, you can also access them from here. Activity, there's personal, there's mentions, favorites. Basically, like if you know Facebook, just like Facebook, messages, friends, group settings. So let's head back to our dashboard. Yeah. So the next thing and last step we're going to be doing is, basically I said this community can be for your friends, employees, co-workmates, and friends of your friends. So you create this private community to chat privately. So when you want to add a user on your community, you head over to users, add new user. So maybe I'm adding that person. Put an email. Website is optional. I'll hide that. Type in my password. Confirm use and take this and then add new user. So you see, you have two users. You add your friends, maybe it's like a community of addicts. You add all the addicts in the community, so they'll be chatting from there. So when I go to the private tab, click here, type in my password, login. So it is logged in. So this, I will edit this to be newsfeed because it's the most common one instead of active. So when I go to the new activity, I can post what's on my mind, the public message. I can see the members here. Maybe there's this one here. I click on him. I can send a friend request. I can send him a public message, a private message. And then I can see the activity and the groups, everything. So I can, this is the news feed. I can see the groups there. I can see the members. So let me first edit that activity back here to menus. Let me change it to newsfeed. Where are you? Here. Newsfeed. It's the most common one. Save. So when I refresh here, it is newsfeed. So this is more understandable by people. So basically this is like Facebook. You post what's on your mind, you see the members there, maybe someone mentioned you somewhere, you see the mention, and then you can form groups, you see the members. So guys, this is it. If there is anything I've missed here, you can let me know and then add it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.